Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X's are 0 through 4, and the y values are 3 through 243. So, the function f of x given as a times b to the power of x, we will just go ahead and substitute the values in. f0 is given, so a times b to the power of 0 is 3. So which means a times 1 is 3, so a is 3. To find the value of b, we will use the second data, f1. 3 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 9. So this is, we're using 9. So this means 3b is 9. We will divide both sides by 3 to find the value of b. And b will be equals to 3. So as x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing. So because of that, it's growth. So when you look at it, choice A and D will not be the answer for sure, and the choice we are between choice B and C. The only difference is the growth and decay. Growth goes up, decay goes down. Since this is going up as the y values are increasing as the x values, so the choice B will be the correct answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.